Good morning, children. Now, let us start with the chapter 12, discrete mathematics, the binary operation. This is the concept of the first exercise. Listen here. Definition: an operation star. Star means this is star. Star defined as a non-empty set S. That is not an empty set. The set there is some elements. Is called binary operation of A if the following conditions are satisfied. The first one is the operator star must be defined for each and every order A, B belongs to S cross S. You will find the cross product and the order of elements belongs to S cross S. It assigns a unique element A cross B operator to every order plus A, B belongs to S cross S. This is important concept: closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property. Some of the question, 3 property only mentioned. Some of the property, all the property mentioned. You must follow this property. The first stage is all the property using this property only. First one, closure property. A binary operation defined on star success S cross S to S. Star A or B equal to S or B comes here, then the demand that the output S or B must always lie in the given set S and not in the complement of it. Then we say that star is closed on S or S is closed with respect to star. This property known as the closure property. I will give one example. For example, S is a natural number. One set. What is the natural number? 1, 2, 3, so going on. Suppose plus is the binary operation. Star person plus. In natural number 1, 2, 3, so going on. I will take 8 elements. 1, 2. 1, 2 belongs to n. Automatically 1 plus 2 is what? 3 also belongs to natural number. That's why the plus is closer. Close with respect to addition. N is close with respect to addition. Otherwise, plus is closed on natural number. This is the idea. You will take any two elements in the particular set. The operation of star represents operation. The operation may be multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, some other format also given. By using that concept, after simplification, the element also belongs to natural number mean that is called closure with respect to addition is true, otherwise not. In this way, the commutative property, already know the property. Suppose you will take 2 elements, 1, 2 elements. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 2 plus 3 is what? 3. That's why commutative property is true. For example, instead of plus, you will take minus. Suppose 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 plus 1. That's why the commutative property not true with respect to subtraction. Multiplication 1, 2, take natural number. 1, 2 plus natural number. 1 into 2. 2 into 1, 2. For closer commutative property is true for multiplication. In this way, you will find for commutative property you will take 1, 2 elements, such interchange elements. 1, 2, 2, A or B, B or B. In this way you will find. Then third one, associative property. Associative property means you will take 3 elements. A, B, C, A, B, C belongs to that particular set. Now you consider first find A star B, then star C. Right hand side, first find B star C, then star with A. Both will equal mean associative property true. For example, 1, 2, 3 belongs to natural number. I will consider 1 plus 2 adding 3, then adding 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. Here, next bracket now, 2 plus 3, 5, then adding 1. True. Suppose you take minus, that is not true. Multiplication is true. Associative property means the elements A, B, C, here also A, B, C. Elements not reversed. Elements are the same. A, B, C, A, B, C. You will put the bracket, first 2 bracket, right hand side, last 2 bracket. This will be equal to associative property. Then this is called identity property. The existence of identity. identity property only. An element E belongs to S such that it is such to be identity element of S and the binary operators are for all A belongs to S. We have A star equal to A. For example, the star person multiplying. For example, star person multiplying. 2 is there. 2, you want to multiply some other number, we will get again 2. What is the number? 2 ones are 2. 1 is the identity element. You want to guess the element of identity. 2 multiplication means, online multiplication means 2 element is there. The 2 belongs here. Next, E, what is E? E is identity element. 2 into which number you want to multiply, we will get again 2. Only 1. Then 2 ones are 2. Upon 1 is the identity element. In reverse process, 1 2s are 2. The same thing will be done. This is called identity element. For example, addition. In some multiplication, addition is there. So 2 is there. For example, 2 is there. 2 for which element will be added? Because added, we get again 0. Am I correct? 2 is there. 2, you will add in some element. We will get the same element 2. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. But 0 is the additive identity. Because previously multiplied. That's why multiplicative identity. Here, addition no. That's why additive identity. Usually, ordinary multiplication means 1 is the identity element. Addition means 0 is the identity element. Then exists of inverse property. That means what? A star B equal to E. E represent identity element. Suppose inverse property asks me first to find identity element. This is very important. First find identity element. Then only you will find inverse property. Directly not possible because A star equal to E. You will find the identity elements also here. For which two elements multiply both or operating both element will be identity element. Then only the B is the inverse of A. For addition, for example, addition is what? 0 is the element. For 2 element is there. Equal to 0 element. For which element, which number you want to add in, we get 0. 2 already is there. Plus is already is there. Which number you will add here, we will get element 0. Minus 2. Am I right? So minus 2 is the inverse of 2. That is that. Minus 2 is the inverse of 2. For example, multiplication, suppose 2 is there. You want to multiply some element, we will get what identity element is. In multiplication, the identity element is only 1. 2 is there, multiplication is there. For what element of here, you will put some element, we will get is equal to 1 because 1 is the identity element. What is the reason? You will put 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 becomes 1. That's why 1 by 2 is the inverse element of 2. That is the answer. In this way you will find. So you simple concept, closure, associative, identity, inverse, commutative. Totally we have 5 property. These are all 5 property. You must know the property, meaning of the property. Closure means you took 8 elements. Afterwards, adding the binary arrangement, the question with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever may be given. By using that idea, take the right element after using the operation A star B. The star represent operation. Suppose A plus B, A plus B, minus B, in this way you will find the result number will come. No, that number also belongs to the given set. That is the closure property. Associative means you take 3 elements A, B, C belongs to that set. Any of them set. Now A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Listen here, A B C. Here also A B C. First you will put bracket, first 2 element. Here next to bracket. You will find LHS R should be equal to also by 2. Then identity element means first one identity element means identity element means for multiplication 2 you want to multiply some number we will take 2. That's very important. I am asking 2. You will take any one of the number. You will multiply some number. We get the previous number. 2 into some number equal to 2 again 2. What number? 1. That's why 1 is the identity element. So for plus means 2 plus some number you will add and you get 8 2 0. But 0 is the item. In this way, inverse, that is what already find out multiple identity element. For 2 into means identity element is 1 equal to 1. Am I right? For 2 into dash equal to 1 and dash is what? 1 by 2. Then only 2 can be 2, no? 1 by 2 is the inverse element. Suppose addition 2 plus dash equal to 0 because in plus additive element inverse is what? Additive element is what? 0. 2 plus dash equal to 0. Dash is what? Minus 2. For minus 2 is the inverse of 2. In this way you want to use. Common is easy. You can take n element to a comma b. A star b and b star a will be equal. A star b and b star will be equal. These are the 5 properties. Once again, closure, as the definition, closure, commutative, associative, identity, inverse. Am I right? Yeah, 5 properties are. The question may be 4 properties asking, 3 properties asking, all the 5 was asking. Depends upon the question, you will put the heading and find one by one. This is a property, this is a rule, this is a definition. Mind it. Closure means you have to get 2 elements, then operating with 2 elements, and the answer also belongs to given section. Commutative means you will take 2 elements, the first and second with the first will be equal. Associative property means you take 3 elements, A, B, C. First operating first 2 element, then third element. In right hand side, last element, then first element, both will be equal. Then identity property means you have one element is there, you will operate one element which is equal to the first element will come. The A star there equal to A. That's important. Am I right? 2 into there equal to 2. 3 plus dash equal to 3. You want to guess. 2 into 1 only 2. 1 is the element. 3 plus dash equal to 3. But dash is what? 0. 0 is the element. In this way, inverse. But 2 plus dash plus that is 0 equal to 0. But dash is what? Minus 2. So 2 into means what? Multiply again. And element is equal to 1. But 2 into dash equal to 1 by 2. Multiplication 1, addition is 0 minus. This is idea, fundamental idea. You will do some problem. You must go through everything. After I use this idea, I will do 1 by 1. Listen here. This is a property. The previous I wrote the property no. The sort form. A comma b plus S means A star b also plus S. This is called closure property. A star b equal to B star A means this is a commutative property. This symbol for all A belongs to A comma B plus S. Associative property 3 elements. A star B star C equal to A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all A comma B comma C belongs to S. Identity property means E plus S is an identity element. A star B or E star A equal to A. E for all A plus S. The inverse property, the B plus S is said to be an inverse of A meaning the A star B or B star A equal to E. The identity element will come. A is constant. This is a short form. Now, I use this idea. First 2 mark question. 12.1 exercise. First question. Determine whether star is a binary operation on the sets given below. A star B equal to A into modulus of B or not. R means what? Rational number. Am I right? Rational number. Sorry, real number. The Q is rational number. R is real number. No. First start with A comma B belongs to R. Automatically, modulus of R also, modulus of B also belongs to R. What is the reason? A and B belongs to R means modulus means what? Absolute value. That also belongs to R. Now, multiply both A into modulus of B also belongs to R. Because multiplication also belongs to R. Which implies that A into modulus of B is what? A star B. So A star B also belongs to R. I am start with A comma B belongs to R. End with A star B also belongs to R. Therefore, star is closed. Closed means what? That is binary operation. Closed operation is what? Binary operation are closed with respect to R. Is a binary operation on R. Binary operation R. That is answer. Am I right? Here comes the next one. Minus of B also next one. Multiply both A into minus of B also comes one. The A into minus of B is what? Already given A or B. Instead of this one, A or B comes one. I am short to the A comma B belongs one separately. Now after together belongs one. That's why binary operations are there. Second question. A or B equal to minimum of A comma B on A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are very simple concept. For example, I am asking you, for example, minimum of A comma B, 1 comma 2 is what? 1. Minimum 1 comma 2 is what? Minimum, you will assume 2 elements from the set A. 1 comma 2 is 1. Minimum 2 comma 3, 2. Minimum 3 comma 4, 3. Minimum 4 comma 5, 4. Minimum 1 comma 3, 1. Minimum 2 comma 4, 2. Minimum 3 comma 5 equal to 3. In this way, you take any element, the minimum number also belongs to A. Am I correct? Am I correct? All belongs to A. That's why it is closer. So for example, in general, that A comma B belongs to capital A. Next, then minimum of A comma B belongs to also A. Right? You take A comma B belongs to A. This is you take any element, we will get one element. Minimum of this two element, we will get one element. After two element, one is minimum, one is maximum. You will get right the minimum element. That minimum element also belongs to A. What is the reason? Minimum element of A comma B is equal to only given A star B belongs to A. Therefore, automatically star is a binary operation. Binary operation on A. That's all. It is a you find. Let's look at that. This is star. Star is a binary operation on R. Next one, third one. Next one. A star B equal to A into A star B equal to A root of B on capital R. Here also real number is binary on R. This is given question. Now I already told you that A comma B belongs to R. Am I right? But the root of B does not belong to R. What is the reason? The root of B inside square root negative will not come. Inside square root negative will come in. That is called imaginary number. Am I right? Root of 3 is equal to 3 only. Root of minus is what? I into 3 equal to 3. I is what? Imaginary number. That is not belongs to capital R. That's why A comma B belongs to R. But root of negative number is not in R. Actually, but root of B does not belong to R. Since 2 is belongs to R, but root of minus 2 does not belong to R. Am I right? This is it. Suppose the B is, if it is positive number means no problem. In R, negative number also will come no. In R real number, am I right? In real number, negative number also will come. With negative number here will come in, root of negative is not possible. Am I right? That's why A comma B belongs to R, but root of B does not belong to R. This is what? 2 belongs to R, but minus 2 does not belong to R. That's why A into root B does not belong to R. Which place R? A into root B is what? A star B does not belong to R. That's why star is here. Star is not a binary operation. Not a binary operation on R. Suppose it's a odd natural number given, suppose it's a or natural number given. Natural number always only positive way to take some. अब automatically a b belongs to n mean n. Natural mean root of b also belongs to n. Am I correct? Root of 2, root of 3, root of 4. That also not belongs to natural number. Natural number also here not a balance. Am I correct? Instead of r given not a balance. Instead of n given also not a balance. The root of 4. The root of 3 is what? Root 3 only. That is not a natural number. Here suppose a is 1, b is root 3, b is 3. Suppose I am showing 1, 2. Suppose for example 1, 2 blocks again. What is the answer? A into root of 2. That is not belongs to n. 1 into root only. Root 2 does not belongs to n. N also not a minor operation. Some of the cases minor operation, but in particular case n and r not belongs to that one. That's why it is not a binary operation. First question over. These are 3 questions. First 2 questions are binary operation. Third question not a binary operation. These are 2 more questions. Simple concept. Now question number 2. On z integer define circle into. That means what? One symbol. Circle dot circle plus circle multiplication. That's one type of symbol. That's the binary. Now m star multiplication, m circle multiplication n is equal to m power n plus n power m. For all belongs to m and n belongs to here. Let what is given? Let m comma n belongs to. Now whether it's binary operation or not, is this symbol is binary operation or not. That means I will assume some number. Now I want to give an example. I will take one number. Let m equal to, because this is natural integer and it is minus 2. This is also integer. Okay. Now substitute here m multiplication n equal to, that is what? M is what? 2 into multiplication of something into minus 2. Am I right? M is 2, n is minus 2. Now substitute here. What is the formula? First number power second number plus second number power first number. First number power second number plus then second number power first number. Am I right? This is what? 1 by 2 square. This is what? 4. 1 by 4 plus 4. 4 is LCM. 1 plus 16. This is what? 17 by 4. This is not belongs to here. That's why this is not a binary operation. Is not a binary operation on it. That is answer. Okay? Very simple concept. If it is I want integer, you take any number. Here not equal to mean, not belongs to the mean. It's not a binary operation. If it is a binary operation mean, you substitute in all number. This two means binary operation. If one particular element not belongs to either mean, it is not a binary operation. You want to prove binary operation mean, in this way you will put all the number. 1, minus 1, 2, minus any number. M and n, you take any number. If you want to prove is a binary operation mean, you will take any all numbers. No, all numbers will be 2. But it is not a binary operation mean, you will do only at least one example. That's enough. For example, m equal to 1, n equal to minus 1. What is that here? First number whole power minus 1 plus second number whole power minus 1. Am I right? 1 power minus 1 is what? 1 by 1. This is actually what? Minus 1. Minus 1 power 1 by 1 only. 1 minus 1 0. 0 is belongs to integer. It is 2. In this particular number 2. In this particular number 2, then only the whole thing is not true, not possible. If it is 2 mean, you will prove all the elements will be true, all the numbers will be true. If it is not true mean, at least you will give one example, actually it is not true. In this way, that's why I am not assuming n equal to 1, n equal to minus 1. n equal to 1, n equal to minus 1 is true. But 2 and minus 1 not true. In general, at least one element not true, the whole thing will be not true. That is answer. Next one, the same thing only. Let the star be defined on R by A star B equal to A plus B plus AB minus 7. This star is binary operation. If so, find this one. Am I right? Let the A comma B block star. Then AB also block star. Am I right? Then A plus B plus AB minus 7 also block star. Am I right? Two numbers separately are multiplied together or then adding first element, second element plus AB and subtract minus 1 also are. This is actually what? A belongs to A star B. This is called a what? How do you know? This is what? A star B is belongs to R. Therefore, star is binary operation on R. That's all. Second solution is asking now 3 star minus 7 is asking. What is the formula actually? What is the formula? Since like the formula A star B equal to second solution actually A star B equal to A plus B plus AB minus 1. Similarly here, what is the number? 3 star minus 7 by 15 equal to A is what? 3. B is what? Minus 7 by 15 plus 3 into minus 7 by 15. 7 by 15. 7 by 15 minus 7. Now simplify. 3 means 3 by 1, right? Or 3 minus 7 is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 means minus 4 by 1. Here minus 7 by 15. Here multiply minus 1 by 15. Now what is LCM? 15 is LCM. Am I right? 15 into minus 4 is what? Minus 16. Minus 7. Minus 1. Adding minus 89 by 15 is the answer. Because already given A star B means this is given. In sum A 3, B is minus 7 by 15. Or simply give it the answer. This type of 3 mark, 3 is 2 mark. Only by this one concept. Fourth question. Let A equal to set apart A plus root 5 into B. A comma B belongs to Z. Check whether the usual multiplication, ordinary multiplication, is a binary operation or not. I want to assume this format now. Let us assume first element x is A plus root 5b. Next element is what? Y equal to C plus root 5b. Some other element. Now I will start x comma y belongs to A. Am I right? X and y, because x is in the format, y also in the format. That's why that belongs to A. Where on the A, B, C, D, these are all belongs to Z. Am I right? Now you want to do x into y. That also belongs to A. Then only and the multiply is binary operation. X comma y belongs to A. Now I want to do x into y. X is what? A plus root 5 into B into C plus root 5 into D. Now multiply A with C, AC plus A with root 5 into root 5 into AD. Am I right? Plus here with here. First here with here. Now here with here. Now BC root 5 into BC plus root 5 into root 5. Only 5 into B. Am I right? Now you want to write this is coming to the AC plus 5BD plus out of these two root 5 is common AD plus BC. Am I right? Am I right? Root 5 into root 5 only 5. That's why 5BD plus 5 is something. Now listen here. A integer, B integer, C integer, D integer. अब A integer, C integer, multiply both 1 integer. B integer, D integer, multiply both with 5 integer. Adding both integer. This also integer. अब this format also coming on. First, without root 5 number plus root 5 into some other number. Therefore, this also belongs to what? A. You want right? This also belongs to A. Since what is this? Since the AC plus 5D, 5 into 3D is belongs to Z, and also AD plus BC also belongs to Z. This belongs to Z, this belongs to Z. Root 5 does not belong to Z. Root 5 into something. This is a forward. A and B are Z, root 5 only. The same forward is coming. That's why this plus this also belongs to Z. This is actually what? XY belongs to A. What is the conclusion? Therefore, our assumption x comma y belongs to A, which implies x into y also belongs to A. That's why usual multiplication is binary operation. Therefore, usual multiplication is binary operation on A. That's the answer. Because A is given on. That is the answer. You want to multiply. The answer also involving the given formula. A plus root 5 into something. One number integer plus root 5 into some other integer. That's why this also belongs to A. X comma y separately you belongs to A. In A, then multiply both together also belongs to A. That is the answer. Yes, sir. Now listen here. Question number 5, the first subdivision. Define an operation star on Q as follows. A star B equal to A plus B by 2, where A comma B belongs to Q. Examine closer, commutative, also the 3 properties are asking. Already you know. The second subdivision, the same one. Next is what? 2 more. Identity, inverse also asking. Sometimes all together asking. Yes, separately asking. First 3 property asking. Next the same question, but two more property no, separately asking. Sometimes together asking. Anyway, you must know the property. Closer, commutative, associative. Closer means what I told you. The first one, put the heading. First one is closer property. Put the heading and write the answer. Closer property. What I told you. That A comma B belongs to Q already given. Which implies adding both this also belongs to Q. Am I correct? Now adding both divided by 2 also belongs to Q. Am I correct? Which implies this is actually what? A star B. A star B also belongs to Q. What is the conclusion? A comma B belongs to Q implies A star B also belongs to Q. Therefore, star is closed on Q. That is the answer. Closer means closer. Okay. Closer property or closer on Q. Closer on Q. First answer what? Very simple concept. The second one, commutative. Second one, commutative property. What is property? That A comma B belongs to Q as usual. Now you want to prove A star B equal to B star A. Am I correct? Now I am start with A star B. A star B is what? A plus B by 2. This is addition now. You want to interchange B plus A by 2. Am I correct? In addition you want to interchange. No problem. Now this is represent B star A. Am I correct? Start with the A star B, end with the B star A. That's why star is commutative on Q. That's all. Third one, associative property. Associative what is the property? That A comma B comma C belongs to Q. Then you want to prove A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Now you will find LHS separately, R separately. Both will equally, it is associative property true. Otherwise not true. Now solve it. This is associative property concept. LHS equal to A star B star C. A star what is formula? A plus B by 2 star C. Once again, what is formula? A star B means adding both divided by 2. Now star is one. First element, star second element. What is the reason? A star B. The before star, after star. Adding both divided by 2. The same concept. The before star, the whole thing. A plus B by 2 is the no. This term, first term, plus second term, the whole divided by 2. This is very important. Now the LCM, 2 is LCM now. In A plus C, A plus B plus 2C. Am I right? By 2. Now again A plus B plus 2C divided by 4 is the first answer. Now find RHS. What is RHS? A star, B star C. Now A star, the B star C what is the formula? Adding both divided by 2 is the formula. Once again, the before star, after star. Adding both A plus B plus C by 2, the whole divided by 2. In numerator, 2 is LCM. Cross multiply 2A plus B plus C and 2 is there. Now 2A plus B plus C by 4 is the second answer. From 1 to 9, from 1 to LHS, not to RHS. That's why star is not associative on Q. That is the answer. In this way you will find. Here 3 parts are asking. This also will be 5 mark question. Someday 3 mark question. Someday all the parts are asking 5 mark question. In first exercise, so many problems, the same method. Closer, associative, identity, inverse, commutative, this only. That's why you must thorough the definition. First thing. Commutative means you take 2 elements. S or B, these are will be equal. Associative means you take 3 elements. Bracket will change. S or B, here B star C. S or B star C equal to A star, B star C will be equal. This way you want to do. Here not equal, that's why not associative. That's all. Listen here. The subject to the same question, but what is happening? Identity existence of identity and existence of inverse only asking. Previously, 3 parts are asking. Here 2 parts are asking. Of existence of identity, first let us assume that E belongs to Q, B and identity element. Am I right? By definition of E for identity, no? By definition, split by definition. What's the formula? What I told you? A star E equal to A for all A belongs to Q. This is a formula. Very important. A, you want to A with element. You will A. Then only E is element. That's important. Previously, I didn't know. The multiplication means 1 is element. Plus means 0 is that is directly you will find. You want to guess the method. But here, the equation is what? A plus B by 2. That's why, by using this concept, you will find the value of A. There, directly guess. Because numbers, that is easy for you. Multiplication, addition is easy for you. But here, by guessing method, you will find the E beyond, E belongs to Q beyond element. Our assumption. By using the definition, given the definition, use this idea, you will find the A value. That's important. Now, what is formula? A star E equal to A formula, no? Now, A star E means what is the definition? A star B means A plus B by 2. A star E means what? A plus E by 2. Okay? So, A plus E equal to 2A. E equal to what? 2A minus E. A is coming. So, that means what? The definition is E is A, no? Better. A star A equal to A. This is not possible. Am I right? This is not possible. That's why it means every element of this identity is this means actually it implies every element is here. Every element is here. Identity element. This is the meaning. This means actually, this means every element is a identity element. This is not possible. This is not possible. That's why star is, it has star is no inverse. This is answer. Therefore, star is no inverse. Understand? Suppose some other element will come in, inverse is possible, identity is possible. Star has no identity element, no identity element. That's all. Alright? This means every element is a identity element. This is not possible because the A is an identity element of A. This is not possible. Alright? Next one is what? X is inverse. Suppose you find the inverse mean by using the identity element only, you get the answer. But identity element also not possible. Therefore, inverse also not possible. Am I right? To find the identity element, suppose you get some element mean by using this element only, you get the inverse. But identity element is not possible to get. That's why inverse also not possible. That's why no inverse. That is the answer. Put the heading. Existence of the same thing only, existence of inverse. Give the reason. Star has no identity element. Okay? Star has no identity element. That's why it has no inverse. Therefore, it has no inverse. That's all. Only 2 parts are asking. That's all. Sometimes all the 5 parts together asking. Here 2 parts are asking. Previously 3 parts are asking. Anyway, identity element asking is E, P and identity element. Definition is what? A or E equal to A. From this idea, we will find 3 value. Suppose we will not get E, some other element will not mean that element always belongs to Q mean. That is the answer. That's very important. That's all. Question number 7. Consider the binary operation star divided on the set A, B, C, D by the following table. The table is clearly given in the question. Is it commutative and associative? Verify whether the table is commutative and associative. Ask it. The commutative what is the property? If A, B belongs to A, then you want to prove A star B equal to B star B. Okay? Now, let A, B belongs to A. Now I am writing A star B. A star B is what? A here, star B equal to what? C star B. A star B equal to C. This is the first thing. And B star A is what? From B here. B star A is what? C is correct. Am I right? A star B and B star C. B star A. First one, A star B equal to C. Am I right? Then B star A what? From here to here, no. A star B, C. B star A is first C, B here, no. B star A is what? D. Am I right? From 1 and 2, A star B not equal to B star A. In this way, you consider some element. A star C equal to C star A. A star D equal to D star A. In this way, you will prove all the parts. If it is one wrong mean, totally it is not commutative. You will give one example only. I am starting with fundamental idea. Commutative property means small a, small b plus capital A. Then you will prove A star B equal to B star A. I am writing A star B. From left hand side A, now A to B. C is the answer. A star B equal to C. Then B star A equal D. From 1 to non-equal. That's why complete non-true. This is the answer. Star is not commutative. Am I right? Star is not commutative. First part of star is not commutative. Next is what? Associative. Associative means you consider A, B, C belongs to A, then what is the formula? A star B star C equal to, then A star B star C. You want to prove this is equal mean? Automatically associate star is associative property. Otherwise not associative. Now start with A star B. Now start with A star B. Now start with LHS. A star B star C. Okay. How do you find out? A star C. Yes, sir. A star B. A star B equals C. Am I right? Star C. Then C star C. Here C. Here C. C star A star A. This is the answer. This is the first answer. Then RHS equal to A star B star C. The A star first find inside right now. B star C. B star C star B. Then A star B star A star B star C. This is two second. This is also not equal. Therefore, star is not associative. From 1 and 2, A star B star C equal to, not equal to, A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associated with this answer. So you must know the definition. A star B and B star B equal means completing, not completing. Am I right? Otherwise, this problem also you will find the basic definition. Not this area, previous area. What is this area? When A, B becomes A, then what is the formula? A star B equal to B star A is the definition of completing property. And start with the LHS. A star B. A star B is what? A star B C. Then RHS is what? B star A. B star A is what? D. Therefore, for 1 and 2, LHS not equal to RHS. That's why star is not complete. First write the definition. This definition. When A becomes A, then A star B equal to B star A is the complete property definition. And when LHS and RHS both to equal mean star is completive. Not equal to not completive. Here also write the definition of associative property. What is the definition? A, B, C belongs to A, then A star B star C equal to A star B star C. This is the definition. Now start with LHS and RHS. Which both will be equal mean star is associative. Not equal mean not associative. With this type of problem, first write the definition, then you will find it. This is easy for you. The next concept is small concept. For use this concept, we have exam 1 exercise 2 problem. This is actually some binary operation on Boolean matrices. Definition: a Boolean matrix is a real matrix whose entries are either 0 or 1. Now join of A and B. Simply this one. This is called what? Please say no. T, F. That area. This is called distance sign. What is the formula? A, this one. Distance B equal to first matrix, second matrix. Together, combined together. Then B, C, A, the please say only. The symbol involved mean both 0 mean 0, remaining quantity 1. There F, T and F involved. But here 1 and 0 involved. That's all. 1 and 0. You must follow the symbol. In the same symbol involved mean both F is F, remaining will be T. Here both 0 will become 0, remaining quantity. In the symbol involved mean what I told you? Both T means T, remaining quantity 0, F there. Here both will be 1 means 1, remaining quantity 0. Previous area only. Inside T, here 1. Inside 0, here F. That's all. Now the first question 1.8%. A and B given. What is asking? Find the first one. A, first one is what? A, this section to B is asking. A is what? 0, 1, 1, 1. Next again 1, 1, 0. That is what? The corresponding element should be added. 0, the symbol, 1, 1. Then 1, the symbol 1. Again, 1, the symbol 1, 0. Am I correct? Again, 1, the symbol 1. Now, what I told you, the symbol coming mean both 0 means 0. This idea. Both 0 means 0. Remaining quantity means 1. All are 1. That's all. Next one. A, the symbol equal to 0, 1, 1, 1. Here 1, 1, 0. The same thing only. 0, 1, here 1, here 1. What I told you? The symbol is going to mean both will be 1 means 1. Remain all 0. Am I right? This idea. Very simple concept. First one is all are 1. Next one is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now you must follow the simple previous idea only. Truth idea only. Then TF will come. Here 1, 0 will be the sum. By using this idea, exercise problem. Example exercise problem. One problem. Another question. Let A, B, C. These are 3 Boolean matrices of the same type. Now, what is happening? The first one is A dissection B, A conjunction B, A dissection B, conjunction C, A conjunction B, dissection C. Any already told you know, you must use a symbol as every word. A dissection B, no, A matrix, B matrix symbol. This symbol involving me, both will be F means F, remain all on T. Here both 0 means 0, remain on 1. Now, cut the first element. Both 0 means 0, no? Here 1, 0. Not both 0. Not both 0. Not both 0. Not both 0. Here. Not both 0. Not both 0. Not both 0. Not both 0. Here. Not both 0. Here both 0. Here not both 0. That means what? Here only 2 0 will come. Remain all 1. Am I right? This is that. That's all. The symbol involving mean both 0 means 0. Remaining quantity will be 1. Here only 0, 0. Second one, third one 0, 0. Remain all opposite quantity. Now this one. This is condition now. Both T means T. Remaining quantity F. If both 1 means 1, remaining quantity will be 0. Both 1 means 1, the remaining quantity will be 0. Am I right? Now where is both 1 actually? You will consider both 1. Here 1 is there, here not 1. Here 1 is there, not 1. The 0 is there, not. Here 1 is there, here not 0. Not 1. Actually both 1 means 1, you know. Here 1, here not 1. Second one, here 1, but here not 1. Here 1, but here not 1. Here 1, but here not 1. Next, here 1, here not 1. Here 1, here not 1. Here 1, but here not 1. Here 1, but here not 1. But here 1, 1, here 1. Here 0, 0, no use. Last one, remaining on 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's all this answer. In this way, you will find this easy way. The symbol involving both will be F means F, remaining quantity will be T. There. Here, in the symbol involving both will be 0 means 0, remaining quantity will be 1. That's all. Here, the symbol involving both T means T, remaining quantity F. But here, both will be 1 means 1, remaining quantity will be 0. The same thing, third subdivision, the A distance we already find out, no? Already find out. 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, 1, 0, 0. Here the symbol. C already know. 1, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. Last 1, 1. Am I right? This symbol is not what I told you. Both will be 1 means 1. 1 here, 1 is 1. 1, 1. 1, but here not 1, 0. 1, 1 is 1. Next day, 1 cannot 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, but here not 1, 0. Here, 1, 1, 1. Here 0, here 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. 1 from 1. That's all. Similarly, this only find out 0, 0, 0, 0. Next again 0, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 0, 1. Now this simple. See again 1. Am I right? This symbol means both will be 0 means 0. If 0, not 0 plus 1. 1. Yes, here 1 0. Both 0 means 0. Here 1. Both 0 means 0. Am I right? Both 0 means 0. Remaining will be 1. 1, 1. Both 0, 1. Both 0, 0. Here. Both 0s 0 otherwise 1. Here, if it is both will be 0 means 0, otherwise remainder will be around 1. Is clear? Very simple concept. By using the previous area only, there TF involving, but here number 1 0 involving. That's why you must follow the symbol. That's all. This follow the symbol.